Ah, well that's not so good. Alright guys, we are back in business. We have the multimeter with a battery in it that works. Ah. What? Well, we did. That's great. Fucking brilliant. Anyway, we've got fuel and we'll give it a go. Put some fuel in it, see what happens. How's that? That's a better angle, isn't it? Alright, we've got fuel. Multimeter's got a dead battery again. I just put a new one in it. I don't know what the story there is. It was working. Anyway, let's put some fuel in the bike and see what happens. So, fuel is bleeding through. May also be leaking from... No, I think it's just bleeding through. No, it is leaking from the tank somewhere. Somewhere in there, rust holes, fantastic. Well, we're going to have to fix those. But let's see. We open this up. So it's only a drop, so that's not a good sign. Let's take this right out and see what happens. Just a drop. So it's our carb is full of rubbish. But we'll kick it and see. So, we're not getting any, I don't think we're getting any fuel flow. I took the spark plug off, it's dry as. Kicked it a few times with the plug off to see if I could smell any fuel. Nothing. So, even with the choke on. So, alright, so we get the carb off. It's pretty dirty in there. But we'll take the bowl off. Don't know if you can see in there, probably not. It's very hard to do all this with one hand. Anyway, I'll take the bowl off and we'll see what we find in there. Well, looks like it's seen better days. Someone has glued that back together. This seems to be working okay. So, just jammed up on me now, it's gone too far. It's nearly impossible to do this one hand, so I'll just have to do bits and show you when I've finished. Believe it or not, it started first kick when it actually had fuel. As I first turned the tap to on, but there wasn't enough fuel. It was just dribbling out. And when I put it to reserve, it might have been also tickling the float bowl. But that thing's dodgy as. I think I need a new carb. But anyway, she's running. Fuck. Smoky as. Ah. Well, that's not so good. It only runs when I force feed it fuel. I've been taking the fuel line off and putting it in there, and she kicks over straight away. And when it was running for ages, I thought, oh, it must be there's actually fuel in the bowl and whatever. And maybe there is, but it's not running through the carb, because as soon as I put a bit of fuel in there, she'll fire up, but she won't keep running. So that carburetor is all mangled on the inside, so I think I might just get a new one and a new fuel tank. Alright, like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.